Hello, everybody. Today, I will be presenting to you guys about the Hikikomori problem in Japan. For any further questions or opinions, feel free to contact me by email. So here's the outline for today's presentation. First, I will define the word Hikikomori, then show you the population of Hikikomori with graphs, the causes, and possible solution for this social problem in Japan. So first, let's start with defining the word Hikikomori. So what is Hikikomori? Hikikomori is a person who does not make a close relationship with others beside a family member for over 6 months and who is unlikely to be considered a psychiatric disorder. Psychiatric disorder is a mental illness that disturbs your thinking, moods, or behavior and enormously increases your risk of disability, death, or loss of freedom. Also, hikikomori is not the only term for people that always shut themselves in their room. People who go out to convenience stores or watch a movie but have no interaction with others besides families are also called hikikomori. Next, current status. According to the recent survey result held by the Cabinet Office in 2016, among the ages 15 to 39, about 2% of the respondents answered that they are hikikomori. From this data, the Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications, the population of ages 15 to 39 in 2018 is about 35 million, so the estimated number of hikikomori in a broad sense is 540,000. In 2019, a survey was again held by the Cabinet Office among the ages 40 to 64. About 1% of the respondents answered they are hikikomori. From this data, Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communication, the population of 40 to 64 in 2018 is about 34 million. So the estimated number of hikikomori in a broad sense is about 610,000 people. If you sum up these two numbers, the population of hikikomori will sum up to 1 million people in Japan. That is about 1% of the population in Japan. From these data, you can tell that it is one of the social problems that Japan carries. Next, I'll explain to you the causes of hikikomori in Japan. According to the Cabinet Office's research, the reason they became hikikomori is due to experiencing failure. The survey shows the reason why they became hikikomori. The top 3 reasons of failure is 1. They couldn't fit in their workplace, 2. Due to disease, and 3rd, because their job hunting didn't go well. You can tell that one of the reasons they became hikikomori is because their work and illness. And due to hikikomori, the feeling of frustration and anxiety of the family increases. And if their family can't communicate well with the hikikomori, your family starts giving pressure in the form of sermons and scolding. This pressure causes the hikikomori to deepen. And suppose there is no connection between the family and society, such as getting advice from professionals. It causes the hikikomori to lose the opportunity for treatment and consultation, causing the hikikomori lengthening. Last but not least, I would like to present my solution to this social problem. To solve this problem, I came up with an idea to build a facility where the hikikomori can meet up and talk in the facility. By telling each other stories, good or bad, the hikikomori know that they are not the only ones in this society with the same experience. Not just talks, but they have an opportunity to consult with the mental health professionals. So this is a place to interact with the people in the same situation. By interacting with other people, they will step by step get back into society and live forward. Lastly, I'll briefly explain the summary for this presentation. First, I started defining hikikomori, and it is being isolated from others beside family members for more than 6 months. Then, after that, I spoke about hikikomori's population in Japan, and there are about 1 million hikikomori in Japan due to the surveys. After, I explained the causes of hikikomori, and as I said earlier, their experience and work and illness is the reason to be hikikomori. And due to family connection with society, it may deepen the hikikomori. Lastly, solution. By building a facility for the hikikomori to interact and allowing consulting mental health professionals, they might be able to positively go back to society and live their lives. Do you have any questions? If you have any questions about hikikomori in Japan, you can comment on this video. So here are the references. And thank you for listening.